So hello everyone, today your session will be 11 linear equation. First exercise we will be starting. Okay, so let's start here. Here first of all we got exercise 7a. Okay, 7a question number 1, that is 10p minus 3p minus 4 is equal to 4p plus 1 plus 9. Plus 9. So here first of all what we will do, first of all we will try to solve all this bracket and everything. We will simplify it, we will not leave any of this bracket and some all this stuff. So now what we will do, we will open the bracket. So when we open the bracket it will be 3p and 3 4, so this will be minus 3p and this minus will also go to that 4, so it will be plus 12. Okay, 3 into 4 12, and this will be minus minus plus, then this side it will be 4 will be going to both the things, so 4p then plus 4 plus 9. After that what we have to do, we have to bring the alphabets to one side and numbers to one side. The alphabet to one side, this one is alphabet, this one is alphabet, and this one is alphabet. So we have to bring the alphabets to left hand side and the numbers to right hand side. Okay, this is our main objective. So we have to bring the alphabets to the left hand side and the numbers to the right hand side. So let's bring that. Here it is 10p, we will keep the 10p here. Here it is 3p. Now we will bring this 4p to this side. This 4p has a plus here, so when I bring this to this side it will be 4 minus 4p. Then the numbers here are 4 plus 9. Now I will bring this 12 to that other side. Okay, when I bring this 12 to the other side, it has plus here, so it will become minus 12. So now this 2 minus together, so 10p minus 7p is equal to 4 plus 9 13 minus 12, so it will be 3p is equal to 1. Then value of p will be 1 by 3. This one is into here, so when I bring this 3 to the other side it will be divide. Okay, this is the question number 1. Now number 2, 7 plus 2a plus 1 minus 3a is equal to 5a. So here first of all what we will do, we will solve this bracket. Twice a plus 2 minus 3a is equal to 5a. Okay, now this one is a number, this one is a number, this is alphabet, this is an alphabet, so we will bring the alphabets to this side. Twice a is already here, 3a, this 5 is there plus, so if I bring it to this side it will be minus 5a. Then this 7 will go to the other side, so it will be minus 7. This will go there, it will be minus 2. So after this, twice a minus 8a is equal to minus 9. So here it is plus 2a minus 8a, so it will be plus minus minus 6a, and the result will be minus because the bigger one has minus sign. Then here it is minus sign. So in the both side we have seen there is minus, so we can cancel this minus sign. So it will be 6a equal to 9. Then this implies a is equal to 9 by 6. So here we can do some calculations. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, so it will be 3 by 2. The answer is 3 by 2. Now third one. Now the third one. So third one is 4x plus 3 minus 2 x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 3. Okay, here first of all we will open the bracket. 4x plus 12, this one is minus twice x plus 2, then this will be 3x plus 3. So this one and this one is an alphabets. So 4x is already minus 2x here, then this will come here is minus 3, and now we will take whatever it is there, first we will write it. 3 is here, so now we will bring all this to the other side, minus 12, then minus 2. So this implies 4x minus 5x is equal to 3 minus 14, then minus, plus minus is minus, result will be minus 1x because the bigger one is minus sign. Then this side also, this will be 3, 4, so minus 11, then this is cancelled, so x is equal to 11. 1x means x, okay. So 1 is done now. Question number 2. 1. X by 3 minus 5 is equal to 8. So I have shown you how to do this one in the previous class. What I will do is I will make each of the term fraction. This is 1, this is 1. So now I will take LCM of each term. LCM of each term is this one and this one. The LCM will be 3. So now we will multiply each term with 3. 8 by 1 into 3. So it will be 3x, sorry, not 3x. This 3 will be getting cancelled, and this is here. So this will only x will remain here. This will be minus 15, and this will be 8 3s are 24. So to find the value of x, we have to just bring this one to the other side. It will be 15. So it is equal to 39. Okay. Now number 2. 3 plus 8, then 3 is equal to t. So this was also I have shown you the format. Let's make it a fraction here. So this will be going to here, and this one will be going to that side. So here 1 into t plus 8, and this one will be 3 into t. So it will be t plus 8 is equal to 3t. So I will bring this 3t to the other side. T minus 3t is equal to, I will bring this 8 to other side, minus 8. So here it will be minus 2t, and this will be minus 8. This will get cancelled. Then value of t will be 8 divided by 2, that is 4. This is not here, okay, this is not here. This one also, just to not get confused, this is here, okay. Now next one, 3. Question number 2 is done. Now 3. 1 is 4 y plus y by 5 is equal to 21. So here also I will make this one as a fraction, and this one is also a fraction. So LCM of all the denominators is 5. So I will multiply all the terms with 5. Y by 5 into 5, 21 by 1 into 5. So here 5 4s are 20, y. Here it will be 5. Here 5 will be getting cancelled, only while y will be here, and this one will be 105. So now it will be 21y is equal to 105. Then y will be 105 divided by 21, so it will be 50. And value of y will be 5. This is the answer. Question number 3 now. 3(2) twice m by 3 plus 3m by 4 is equal to 17. So here what we will do, we will find the LCM of these two part, and this one is 1 here. So LCM will be 12. So twice m by 3 into 12 plus 3m by 4 into 12 is equal to 17 by 1 into 12. So this will be 4 0 to 4 0 8m. Then here it will be 3 is 9, and here it will be 12 17 32 2 0 2. Okay, sorry, 34 304. Okay, 204. After that, this is done. So after this, 8 plus 9 is 15. M is equal to 204. So this is not 15, 17. 17m 17m is equal to 204. Then m is equal to 204 divided by 17, so it will be 12 here. So answer is 12. Okay, this is one way of doing it. The other way is also correct. I will show you the other way also for this question. Another also you can do it. Twice m by 3 plus 3m by 4 is equal to 17. The two ways of doing it. First of all, we have to take the LCM of these two. So LCM of these two will be 12. So we have to multiply this with 4 and this with 3, and this will give 17. This is 8m plus this is 9m. Here it is 12 is equal to 17. So now it will be 17m. Here it will be 12 is equal to 17. Then I will bring the 12 to the other side. 17 into 12. I will not multiply it because there is a 17 I have seen. So m is equal to 17 into 12 divided by 17. So 17 will be getting cancelled. This is 12. Okay, these are the two methods. You can, this is one, the other one was one. So whichever you find it easy, you can do it. I would ask you to do it in the other method because that will be giving you a one-line answer which you can easily solve it. Okay, then number 4, I guess 2 by 3, then x plus 3 by 5, two by 3, question number 4, sorry, question number 4, number 1. There is no 4 1. 2 by 3, x plus 3 by 5 is equal to 7 by 2. So in this type of question, what we will do the same thing. We will find the LCM of these two numbers. This is a bracket, this is a whole number. Okay, let me, question number 4, 2 by 3 x plus 3 by 5 is equal to 7 by 2. So in this case what we will do, we will treat this as a whole term because it is multiplying here, and this as a whole term. Okay, so now this and this, we have to find the LCM of this and this, not the inside part, the outside part. LCM of this one, this will be 6. So we will multiply everything with 6. X plus 3 by 5 into 6 is equal to 7 by 2 into 6. So here 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are 4, x plus 3 by 5 is equal to 21. Now we will open the bracket. When we open the bracket, it will be 4x, then 4 3s are 12 by 5. Okay, 4 will be multiplied only with the upper part. This 4 by 1. So when we multiply it, 4 into 3, 1 into 5, 21. Now again we have seen a denominator, so we will bring this in the fraction. So the LCM will be 5, 4x by 1 into 5 plus 12 by 5 into 5, then 21 by 1 into 5. So here this will be 20x plus 12 is equal to 105. Then here 20x is equal to 105 minus 12. This is plus here, it will go to the other side, it will be minus 12. Then after that 20x is equal to, this is 3, then 9. 93, x value will be 93 by 20. Let me check this value. 7. Yes, this right. It is given in the mixed fraction, no need to convert it into the mixed fraction. You can write it in this way also. Okay. Question number 5. This x plus 3 by 7 minus twice x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 3x minus 5 by 5 minus 25. So this sum look complicated. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will convert each of the term into fractions and find the LCM of this one and this one. LCM will be 15 7 0 7 95. Sorry, 105. 7 0 105. So we will multiply each of the term with 15, then minus 2x minus 5 by 3 into 15, 3x minus 5 by 5 into 15 minus 24 by 1 into 15. Okay, into 15. So here 7 is 105 not 15. 105 105 105 and 105. Okay, so now 7 21 7 15 sorry, 7 15 3 35 5 21s and 1 we cannot divide it, so here it will be 15x plus 3. Here it will be minus 35 twice x minus 5. Here it will be 21 3x minus 5. Here it will be 105 into 24. So here it will be 15x plus 3 plus 45. Here it will be 35 70x plus 155. This is minus minus plus 15 16 17 170. Yes, it will be 175. After that it will be 63x and it will be 105, and this one will be 24 2400, then 10 120. So 2520. Then this one are the alphabets, so we will bring this to the one left hand side. Minus 70x here, then this will be again minus 63. Then the numbers here are 105 minus 25520 minus 45 minus 175. Okay, now when we solve this is 63x 15x minus this will be 133x is equal to, these are all minus, so we will just plus it. 5 1, then 2 7 10 14 5 9 10 11 12 1, then 2 3 minus 3 2 4 5. After that it will be this one, when we subtract it, it will be minus 8, then minus 8, then this will be 2 1 1. X is equal to minus 3 2 4 5. This implies x is equal to, this minus will be getting cancelled with this one, so it will be 3 2 4 5 by 1 1 8. Okay, so let me check the result of this one. Question number 5. Question number 5 is 25. Question number 5 is 25. So we have done some, I have done some more so 25 okay, 25, this one is 25. After that 25, only this part was 25, so you have to change only this part, so it will be 25 2500, then 125, so it will be 5 2 5 2 2 5 2 5. Okay, it will be 2 5 2 5. Then after that 2 5 2 5 00, then 125 plus 5 125, the 5 to 5, yes, just correct only. So this will be 2 5 2 5. So here the plus will be here the plus will be 0, then 2 will be carried here, so 7 6 13 14 15 5 1 will be carried here, so 5 6 7 8 8, then 2 2850 2850, it will be 2850, minus will be there. Okay, so now 18 25 0 8 2. So let's divide it by 2 first of all. So when we divide it by 2, it will be 259, and this one will be 1425. So 59 first of all, we 59 we have to divide it 1425 by 59. 59 2s are 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10, so 1 1 1 1 1 8. So when we divide it will be 4 2, then this one will be 4, then 5 59 5s are 2, sorry, this is not 2, this is 12. $59. Let's do it again. This question. Let's do question number 6 now. Not 6, 5. X plus 3, then 7 plus 2. Sorry, not plus. Minus 2x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 3x minus 5 by 5 is minus 25. So what we will do is multiply with the LCM. So LCM is 105, then this one is also twice x minus 5 into 105, 3x minus 5 by 5 into 105, and this one is minus 25 to 105. 105. So this implies 7 15s are 3 35s are 5 21 0. So here if we multiply it, 15x plus 45, here it is, minus 70x plus 15 25 175 is equal to, this is 2163x minus 105 minus 25 into this will be 2500, then 5 5 is 20, sorry, 25 to 25 into 5 is 125, so it will be 0 5 2 6 2 2 6 2 5, so till 2625. Next we will bring all this together. This 15x minus 70x minus 63 is equal to minus 105 minus 2625 minus 45 minus 175. So this implies, here it is 63x, sorry, so it is 15x minus 133 x is equal to, when we plus all this, it will be all are in minus, so we can plus everything and the result will be in minus, so it will be minus 0 2 is there, so 2 6 13 14 15 1 6 7 8 9, then 2, okay, 2950. This implies this will be 8, this will be 1, this will be 1, then minus 118 is equal to 2950. This will be getting cancelled. This implies x is equal to 2950 by 118. So when we divide it by 2, it will be 59, and this one will be 1 4 7 5. So 14795 divided by 59, 59 2s are 118, so it will be 17295. Then this will be 59 5s are 295, so this will be 25 times, so result will be 25. So thank you.